Here's how to tell if Afterpay is actually a good deal for you. I always assumed Afterpay was some kind of scam, so I decided to actually look into how it works and how the company makes its money. Here's the mechanic. You pay 25% of the price up front, then the rest is split into 3 more payments, one every 2 weeks until it's fully paid off in 6 weeks. There's 0 interest and every payment is withdrawn automatically. So if there's no interest, how does Afterpay make money? Most people assume it's late fees. It's not. Afterpay is publicly traded, so the numbers are public. Late fees make up less than 15% of their revenue. They're also capped at 25% of the purchase price. And Afterpay cuts you off from new purchases the moment you fall behind, so the fees can't spiral. The real money comes from merchants. Every time you buy something, the merchant pays Afterpay a fee of 4% to 6% of the price. Compare that to a typical credit card processing fee of just 1% to 3%. So why would a merchant pay double? Because it sells more. Afterpay tells merchants it can boost cart conversion by 20% and average order size by 17%. More people finish checking out and they buy more when they do. The merchant is essentially paying $5 to make an extra $20. What that means for us, we spend more when we use Afterpay. Splitting $100 into 4 payments of $25 just feels a lot less painful than paying $100 today, even though the total is identical. So is it better than a credit card? Not really. Afterpay doesn't build your credit, but if you default, it can still report that to the credit bureaus. There's no fixed credit limit, either around 50% of first purchases and 30% of repeat purchases get declined. There's no cash back, no rewards, it's not accepted everywhere, and it skips the consumer protections a credit card gives you. The one real advantage is that you can use it with little or no credit history. So no, Afterpay isn't a scam. It's a short-term, interest-free loan that merchants pay for because it gets people to shop more often and spend more per order. If you already qualify for a credit card, that's still the better deal. That's all for this video. Thanks.